Hi everyone, Nicole with Logisoft, coming to you with another video going over new purchases. So this one is going to be specific to switching from shared device licensing to named user licensing. Now I want to start by talking through the differences between the two. A shared device license is really meant for the lab setting, where anyone that comes and goes throughout the day and touches that computer can access the software. Yes, they have to log in, but you in IT don't have to manage that user list or assign the licenses. With named user licenses, because it opens up that whole mobile workflow and is tied to a specific person, you're going to have to manage user entitlement. So we'll talk through that. The installation packages are also different because with the shared device license, the services and apps are limited. Named user licenses get every single app with Creative Cloud. They get all the online services, Firefly AI, and so much more. So we're going to need to update the package. So the steps we're going to review are: do you have single sign-on set up? And if not, how are you going to manage your users? Finding out where the shared device license is installed, updating the package where it is, and then home installation if needed. So to start, there's three ways you can add and assign users to your new named user licenses. Now, the easiest thing to do and the recommended way to do user management is through single sign-on. So you can claim your domain and connect to Google or Azure identity providers. And when you set up single sign-on, not only is that easier for your students and staff, but you gain the ability to also set up user sync, allowing the two consoles to talk to each other. This bypasses the need to manually upload and add or assign users to the Adobe console. There is a link in the comments on how to do your single sign-on setup, but it's super easy, just takes a few steps, and it loads all the users from your Google or Azure console into this one so that they all live in one place. After that, you can actually set up specific OUs or groups and enable auto provisioning. So this is the easiest way to manage your users and get them assigned, but I do recommend doing this step first if it isn't already set up. And again, it's what we recommend for K-12 students because of COPPA and FERPA compliance. Now, if you're not going to use single sign-on and user sync, there's two other ways to manage your users. You can assign products very easily by going to the new named user product, entering into that default product profile, and either adding a user one at a time with the blue button or uploading users by CSV file. So that is how you take care of getting users assigned to your new named user license. Now, to figure out where your shared device licenses are currently installed, now bear with me because I don't have any installed, but you click into your shared device license product, click into the default product profile, and then you click Create Report in the upper right-hand corner. This will open up a CSV file that actually tells you the IP address of every installation you have on campus. Now keep in mind this report is only as good as how you have named your computers, but it could be as easy as knowing, oh, they're all in the Mac lab. So that will be a tool for you, because what you need to do is we need to change the package that is installed on every computer that you have right now. Now, luckily, you do not have to do a full uninstall and reinstall of the package. As long as you're okay with the same version being used, all we have to do is tell that package that it is no longer a shared device license, that it's now a named user. The drawback is we do have to touch every computer. However, it's a single command prompt, and I have a document built just for this. So the steps that you follow here, whether for a PC or a Mac, break the link to the shared device license and convert the installation to a named user license. So these are the steps that need to be followed for every installation you have. Now, lastly, the named user license does have the benefit of being able to download it anywhere. So if students or staff need access at home, there's a document that I have in the comments for that as well. And that's something that you can share with them and it makes home installation hands-off for you. So those are the steps. Essentially, you need to make sure that anyone that needs a license is assigned to the named user license in the console, and then convert the installation on the computers themselves. I hope that helps. Please reach out if you have any questions along the way.